In the last video, we looked at 12 eVTOLs heading towards production. Today, we look at aircraft that are already at work today. Welcome back, and let's do a walk around the flight line.
We have a couple of different configurations.
Okay.
We can do passengers, we can do cargo, we can do skydiving, special missions, redefining.
There's a lot of talk about electric power for aircraft of this kind. Is it feasible?
For skydiving operation,
Yeah.
yes. For other utility, I don't think so. I had a chance to install, let's say, belly pack.
Simple calculation, it will take off only with one pilot. We work for them close to Vienna, preparing for type certification. After 1 year of preparing, new batteries available on the market.
We sell it to private individuals. A lot of people, like 2 or 3 people, go together and buy one.
Okay.
We also sell to the military. U.S. Air Force has bought them for trainers.
Okay.
United Airlines has bought them for trainers. We do a lot of fleet sales everywhere. We also have, it's called the return home. If the pilot passed out or whatever, somebody pushes a button and it automatically lands you. And it will contact all the, it'll find the nearest airport that the plane can handle, contacts tower, and then also emergency, and then also clears the whole air. People are looking into the future for, the electric and, alternative fuels.
Okay. China needs more than 100,000 new pilots over the next decade. These are the tools to make that happen.
满载是600公里，如果说是转场的话是2000公里。
As China pushes the low-altitude economy, the ecosystem is moving faster than ever, with a booming mix of aircraft types and uses riding the wave. Thanks, and see you next time.